Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be introducing you to JavaScript arrays. What is an array? An array is basically a structure that allows you to store multiple values in one single reference. Basically, what that means is that it stores multiple values in a single variable. So an array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time, in comparison to a variable that can only hold one value at a time. An example of an array is this here. For example, you create an array called myData and you use the equals to assign the values. You can tell it's an array because the values of an array are enclosed in square brackets. Also, you can have different data types in an array. In this example here, I've got both number and string data type as values in an array. So let's create a simple array using our web console. To create an array, you have to create the variable first. So you just type in var to create or define the variable. You do a space followed by the name you want to call the variable. I'm going to call mine my data. You then use the equals to sign to create the array, and you use the opening square brackets and you add the values or the elements in the array. You can mix data types. In my example here, I'm going to mix the data type with a string and also a number. So I've got a number and a string. I'm going to add another number and then I'll add another string. When you are using string, don't forget to enclose them in quotes. And when you are using arrays, you separate each of the elements in the array by a comma. You can see I've got comma here and comma here. Only the last value or element that does not require a comma. So now that we've created an array, to call the array, we just need to call it by its name, which is myData, and it will display the information. The information here tells you that we've got an array of 4 elements, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it gives you the values. If I expand this, you will see all these figures here. They are known as index. The way you access the elements in an array is via the index. So the very first element or value has index 0. The next